the sky. I wish that I could stay here for life. I wish that I could stay here. Baby, look at the sky, shining bright tonight. I wish that I could stay here for life.
Hi guys, so welcome to our channel. This is our Portugal vlog. So today we are at the London Gatwick airport. We still have 2 hours left for our flight. We did came a bit early just in case our car is not very good, and we wanted to have plenty of time basically. So yeah, me and my brother is our first holiday together. Just 2 of us together. So we're quite excited. We have planned some bits, but if the weather is good, we will succeed in everything. But if it's not, we still have a good time.
We're gonna enjoy everything.
We're gonna enjoy everything, and we are going for the cab vibe. And also, guys, this is my mic. So
yeah, bought the whole thing.
We bought it, and now, so hopefully you guys can hear us clearly.
Yep, the next time you see us is in the plane, recording and heading off, getting into the car, and going to check in our hotel. That's it.
Yeah, so we are quite excited. Will come along with us on this beautiful vlog. Hi guys, so our flight got delayed by 1 hour, so we decided to eat. Got some bread, latte, and then this chipotle chicken and feta hot bucket.
What do you get me then?
And shawarma, chicken shawarma. Sounds good. So we're just gonna have this one and wait patiently. Basically, we still don't know the gate number yet, but so guys, we just did what we did.
We checked in.
And thank God our bag is okay. Nobody questioned us. Like that was a big scary moment for us, wasn't it? Oh my God! But we made.
So we just got the car, Didi driving because she's the card holder, innit? So let's go.
Our room, guys. This is our bed, which is not bad. It's cute, and we got a balcony as well. Nice. I was saying that balcony, but this is the view, and it's cute. Look over there. It's so nice. The mountain. And then I don't know what's in here. Oh, it's just a bit meh on the floor. But yeah. Oh, right now.
I need a poo.
Sabar.
I can't lie today.
Yeah. Why you can't lie? That is me. So we are having pesto, shrimp, pasta, and I was having the same. Oh, he's having more mozzarella. Thank you. Good morning, guys. So today we are doing year 1 hike, stair to heaven, and right now it's 5:30. We all got ready. We were in warm clothes, and
we're gonna go now on the car.
And the car is our car. So leaving soon, literally now basically, and then
Yeah, bye.
Yes. So guys, we are on the way to year 1 hike. That's it. So guys, we are here at car park. Look at that, it's cloud. So we're queuing for to pay So yeah. I've walked Olga past 10 minutes, and then you can see where we came from. Can you flip the cameraman? And now we are heading this way. At least it's not cold right now. So guys, Abhishek and me, we are waiting. Been waiting, but it's been fail. But that's the sun. It's there, and it's getting better. It is very cloudy. One sad thing happened is Abhishek trousers.
No, बोलना ना.
भंग परे है. जाते हो. Abhishek is upset.
So my pants got ripped.
Oh my god, guys, so we going back to hotel now. So it was yeah. Oh, okay, whatever. We're going breakfast and yeah, going back to hotel, changing clothes. There was not very good sunrise. Couldn't see because of the cloud. However, the place is really nice. I think it's worth coming on a sunny day. The top of the like not top, the hills, the peak, mountains. It was so nice. You could have some glimpse. You could see, but oh my god, I wish we could see those all clearly one day. Maybe tomorrow, who knows? If the weather is not bad down here. My god, my ear is hurting me so much. I can't even speak right now. Oh my god, it's such a pain. Because I think we were in 1,800 something altitude. So obviously we're coming down. That's why I feel like my air is like just the plane but a feeling. I don't know. I'm sure you guys can relate to me. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you the view. Look at the town. Abhishek is the driver. It just reminds me so much of Nepal. Like how pretty that is. Wow. It is sunny. Just up, it was not sunny. After the hike, now we're going to Botanic Garden and to do the cable car. So yeah, this is our brown and cream stuff, and that is my the top is from ASOS. Everything is head to toe is ASOS. Actually, this is from H&M, and that's ASOS and ASOS. Yeah, and the face from Nepal. Guys, so we are at the cafe and we're having latte. We are at the cafe, we're having latte.
Yeah, man.
Mixed rhyme. And we have ordered some food. We've been waiting.
Yeah, and right beside us, there's. Wait.
There's cable car.
I can't. There we go. There's cable car right there.
So guys, we have got saksuka here and shrimp with the flat sourdough bread and the flat bread with the roasted lamb and vegetables.
And
Yummy.
then got coffee.
The latte.
We're at 1A now, so we're gonna explore some of the bits. And yeah, into the museum now. Let's see what they have.
If you look closer, then there is a dog like face, but same time the lady is holding something with her hand. So much going on over here. Looks like she's sitting, but it's like a bird. And she's naturally green matching. He knew what he was doing today. Yeah, so obviously, oh, this is, I don't know, what can I say? What do you think of this?
Do you see how it has 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers? That means basically you're trying to, you know what I mean?
So obviously, you know, this is how sad that is. There's a woman and the man is stopping her. Like, she's stopping the mouth, she's stopping all the feet. Yeah, the man, like, stopping. It's like powerful, I think, in some ways.
This is a bit mad, isn't it? You know what I mean?
Huh?
On YouTube, you can't show it. As you can see, we're enjoying the view. Everything. We're enjoying Portugal and Madeira. Yeah, look who's there, bro. There's some people down there. We're gonna go there later on. But we're exploring everything. Look how nice that is, though. It's okay. What do you want to say with the heels?
So I didn't thought about it. So I have wore heel. They are comfortable, but nobody's wearing heel.
Okay,
bro.
so you're the odd one out, like.
I am odd one and out. I'm odd one in a
Odd one
life.
out, bro.
Odd one out.
This is why. I don't know how she passed English, bro, but she did.
I got a degree, by the way. What do you mean pass English? I got a degree.
Good on you, bro.
Good on me. I don't know how I did it, but I done it.
Yeah, man. She done it, bro.
I wanna see.
So now we're gonna go. We're gonna go now 1B. What do you want to show?
I would like to see one of these.
What do you want to see?
If it's flamingo, I would like to see flamingo. Where are you?
Okay, turn the thing around so they can see the map as well. So right now, we are at 1B. 1B right there. So we're gonna go inside there now. Oh.
We think
What do we think?
this place is quite good.
It's very good. I think it's very worth it. For £38 for 2 people.
No, euro, not
No,
pound.
as euros. It's quite worth it.
Welcome to my house. first time trying. Fanal something name. I took a picture for you. It's good.
custardy type.
Custard type. You like it?
Yeah. Looks very nice. Yo guys, look at the rainbow.
I think buy the pizza hockey. You don't like it?
Madeira.
Your face doesn't look like it.
Figueira. It's not the best fruit, obviously. But it's alright.
I will take not approved.
Huh? It's a 5 at the best.
5? Okay.
Out of 10, isn't it?
What is it?
It's crust. It's like bread and thing in it.
What's the
It's sweet potato, bro.
sweet potato?
Yeah. I think it's croissant and sweet potato.
Yeah, you got powder in the market. But yeah, we tried that. Plus it's sweets. Obviously, want to try to be honest though. Yes.
So we're eating McDonald's now. Yeah.
I love McDonald's.
So what do you have?
Wings.
You love your wings. You got a chicken burger, I think.
Yeah.
I got crispy chicken burger, but I don't like the lettuce. Haven't got garlic mayo, and obviously McFlurry.
You don't like the tomato.
Yeah.
You should lettuce.
Oh, tomato. Yeah, we got some chicken nuggets and chicken, then spicy chicken, I think. Spicy chicken over there.
It's hard to do these things alone. Just hold on a moment. Nighty night, if we shoot the
It was so sunny down there.
Yo, niggas shoot 'em high, super tight. Cross the boy so many times to crucify. Pumping coops, a nigga in my coupe, my door's to suicide. Shout out to my felon, but we caught another felon. Shout out.
Puerto Moniz. No, everything is happening in this holiday. We're having good entertainment.
we get winter. Wow.
Yeah, bro. Spring, autumn. Every season is in here. It's Hawaii, isn't it? It's meant to be rain.
That's what they said. Unexpected weather, okay?
Yeah.
Madeira.
Yeah.
Yeah, इधर.
Hi guys. So we are at the Fanal
Forest.
Forest. It's sunny right now, but it can get foggy quite quickly as well. And it has been very lovely. We have got some pictures for Instagram. And yeah, it's cold, but it's not that cold, but it's cold, you know what I mean?
You can wear a dress,
Yeah.
but after like 10 minutes, you're gonna get cold.
Yeah, so I got this thick sweater, but I'm wearing dress underneath. So
And one tip: when you're entering the Fanal Forest, you need to get your boots, and after that, you can wear anything realistically. But yeah, this one is very lovely. Look over there. So this was foggy or before like 10 minutes ago, and it gets sunny like 10 minutes again, and it foggy at 10 minutes again. If you know what I mean. So yeah.
Say we're just friends, but I swear when nobody's
as you can see, the largest pan ever made apparently. And there's a boat over there. There's no information about anything there.
It's so nice place, guys.
So we got some shrimp, not shrimps and fish, and rice, some chips, salad, and got some
Lamb chops. The weather is unpredictable. The weather is... Look at this. So it reminds me of Nepal, like so much. I think I said it 1,000 times in this video, but it does. And that is the beach. It's so beautiful place. I think I'm in love with it. Casadas. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Like, come on. You got to admit. You got to admit that. It's the prettiest. What happened? Did you drop something? Yeah. What is that? This guy. Bigro.
big है ना?
Bigro
We
lah.
can return anyway.
Pite khais. This is us.
अहिले गरिदिन्छु म त.
So guys, we are here at the beach and it's such a nice, it has a waterfall and the beach and big mountains, and right now there is a rainbow, like it's perfect, that's just like perfect. I'll show you, like waterfall, mountains as you can see, and look at that rainbow. That is so beautiful. Literally, can you see that? Like, oh my god, so pretty. Wow, this view is to die for. The weather has been like, weather sometimes gets like sunny and then right away like pani ni porcho, like, but I think we're enjoying it so far, isn't it, Osik?
Yeah, man.
What do you think of this beach?
Very good. I think you should zoom out a bit.
Zoom out a bit. So yeah, and we took some pictures again, and then we just chilled on this side. It's beautiful, and there's, yeah. So now we're gonna go back, driving, exploring. So yeah, come along.
Right side was on, right?
we never meant to stay.
So now, after hotel, we're going to KFC because we had McDonald's yesterday. We're gonna have KFC today.
Because we had a good food early in the lunchtime, so to balance out, I think it's just fair that we eat something fast food, guys.
Yeah.
Because we're not rich bitch. Pull and bear.
So we're not eating now. We're just going pull and bear. Yeah. This is what it is. She's basically looking to buy a skirt now, and she's asking me, "How is it? How is this? How is it?" Again, she's trying on these shoes, and she's asking, "What do you think?"
How wet they are.
Really? How are they wet? Yeah, this is where Kusum wants to be, but she's not here. Yeah. So what kind of clothes are you looking for, bro?
Baby girl.
How much is it? Let's see the price tag. How much is it? It's expensive. Okay. Yeah, look how clumsy she is, bro. What do you say?
The headband.
Yeah, the headband, man. Oh, it was on sale, bro. Yo, it was on sale. I can't lie, it was on sale though.
Yeah, 12 months.
Yeah, so from 28 euros to how many euros? 8 euros. Yeah. Top tier shopper. Yeah, take it, man.
So we are having KFC at the moment, and Abhishek is trying.
Yeah, there's kebab
So yeah. Sorry, this is. So guys, I got a pasta. I didn't have a KFC at the end, and the shrimp, and that's the tomato is the place where I got my food. It was super fast, and they got me cutleries. And actually, my drinks is here. I got mango and pineapple, which is lovely. I'm really excited. So guys, I finished my food. Obviously, just got. Look how much he got. I think this burger. Oh my god, wrap, kebab. He's going full out. Seriously. Oh my god, I'm getting down. I'm sorry. So, got chicken wings. What we thinking?
Yo, taste it yourself, bro.
Is it good?
Say.
God.
Bro, on a level, this is better than UK.
It's juicy. It's spicy. Wow, I didn't expect that. That's actually nice. Did I make a wrong choice, guys, or what?
I think so, bro.
No, I think I enjoyed mine. You can see from my. You guys can see from the plate, like I did enjoy it, but that wings was banging. It's spicy, juicy, flavor, everything was there. Nice, and it's nice and hot. What we're thinking about is that tenders. What we're thinking about that?
Again, it's like tenders. It's alright, but it's soft, it's nice. It's not spicy or anything like that. It's nice.
Very soft.
Now let's try kebab, bro.
And what else you got? Burger?
Burger, kebab.
And what's that?
It's another kebab.
Oh my god. Are you gonna finish this all?
Yeah?
I'm gonna be dying here. I'll show you after he finishes all of this. Okay, bye. So guys, we are here to see the Ronaldo museum. As you know, he was born in here. And it took us like 1 hour to find a parking, which was ridiculous. We wanted to go for breakfast first. We are a big fan of Ronaldo today. Oh, okay, so yes, we are going around. You can see the medal on the top. What is this? Ballon d'Or. So this one is the 2014 Ballon d'Or. So and you can see there is a big man himself. Wait, don't. It's quite the picture. So you can see here the real painting, and we have some famous people. Ah, these are cute stuff.
What do you have in your hand?
The biggest fan.
Well, I'm not the biggest fan. Messi's better, but we move.
Ronaldo's fan who took us some pictures. You
Yeah.
can see, and it was a good experience.
Yeah, it was a good experience.
Big respect to Ronaldo winning that many award, which
Yeah.
shows he's a very hardworking player.
Yeah.
Even though you're a fan or not, I think it is
Should
very,
respect the player.
Yeah, you should respect the player. So that's all.
Buy that.
So we just had the breakfast. My hair looks horrible. We'll move on from that.
It's always been horrible.
Why brothers are bullied, and why did I decided to come on a holiday with this guy?
Because I can click your
Why
photos.
on drugs?
Because I can click your photos, bro.
Still hasn't got you. He clicks my picture with the attitude. There's
Yeah, and what?
day that there's not been a day he has shown me attitude, which is not true.
Yo, the way she speaks there, she can't speak at all. She slurs the words, everything.
We had a McDonald's
What
first
do you
day.
say?
McDonald's khate mi to. That's the
Your KFC is
McDonald's.
better.
But KFC is better. Try KFC, not McDonald's.
With a couple of shits is fine.
Couple of shit.
Yeah, I shat so much in it.
I know he had so much yesterday. I think he was in the whole night toilet before you went to sleep, which was predictable.
No. I put today.
Today?
Today.
Oh, okay. Wow. Yeah. So now we're just gonna go again, drive, make a worth of that car.
Of course.
It's actually nice, man.
हो शाम भी तो क्या जब होगा अंधेरा तब पाएगा दर मेरा उस दर पे फिर होगी तेरी सुबह न जाने आसपास है खुदा
So guys, we have came to the whale watching.
No, whale museum.
Well museum, and they give you this set. I'll show you, and so you can hear when you get in there, and they give you this. It was the 10 euro per person, so let's see how that will go. So they just gave me introduction on the sound system. Now we are going down. I'm not gonna make much noise. I'll give you a brief video after how I found. Okay.
Didi 30 hai? 30. Maybe not. What the luck is thinking then?
So I got shrimp, obviously got salmon, potatoes, rice, chips, and salad. Excited!
This is the dessert. No, I was joking, bro.
So I just finished my coffee and then we're gonna go to hotel, and today is our last night in Madeira. I'm so excited for Lisbon.
Thinking she an angel till I put her on the bed. Gotta chase this money, baby, nothing to be said. I ain't having no distraction when I'm running up a check. Every time I leave.
So guys, this is our last day. We are packed up everything. Our suitcase is ready. Now we are heading out for breakfast, and our flight is at 8 o'clock today at night time. Currently it is 11:17. Our checkout is at 12, so we are on time. And yesterday, just after that restaurant, I did enjoy. I don't think this is a restaurant, to be honest. I had a stomach ache before I went to the restaurant, and literally I threw up at midnight like 2-3 times, and then I slept after, which was better. Now I feel very hungry, like so hungry that I can eat anything basically, and hopefully I won't be sick anymore. And I'm really surprised my nails are still intact, you know. This nail just fell off. I just put it on. I had a extra with me, so I done that. Now we are heading off. I'm gonna miss this room, miss this view so much that it's crazy. I'll show you the view now one more time. Unless they're doing the construction, so this is my airport outfit. My trench coat and seeker's top, the hat. I just did my ponytail. I have not brushed my hair since it's been 2 days actually, which is disgusting by the way, but yeah, it is curly and I don't want to do anything with my hair, so I left it as it is. So yeah, this is my feet. I don't like this hair in here. Anyway, I'll show you later what I'm gonna eat for breakfast. So guys, we came to the waterfall. It's beautiful, as you see. And now we are going back to our car. Obviously just been sick as well, so we've both been sick. We are thinking it's seafood. Who knows what's going on, which is a bit mess. But I feel good because he feels sick. He can't bully me on my immune system now, because he was bullying me earlier. Well, I guess it's the food, it's not our immune system. Now we're going. That's the waterfall, as you can see. And obviously, are you feeling better now?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but this can't be the road. The Google map is not mapping right now. This cannot be the road. Telling you. Yeah, mom will be happy.
Mom like, chala gaon.
Taxi driver is on form right now. Hi guys, so we dropped our car now and we are ready for the airport, and they provide shuttle bus, a mini bus. So that's what we're doing. Obviously.
Yeah, let's go.
So we have to say bye to our car. We're gonna miss that car so much, but it was good to relief to send it back with good condition. Hi guys, so we are on the way to Lisbon.
Yes, we're waiting. We're waiting on the gate right now, entering the plane. But yeah, we do have a speedy, so we can go through quickly and put our bags quickly.